Hey, what's up, guys, and thanks for joining. Today, we're going to talk about the FastSnail Switch 2 case with cover that allows you to also store 12 games and at the same time, fully protect your Switch 2. Now, we're going to talk more about this case right after this. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it out as it truly does help on my channel. With that stated, let's have a closer look real quick. So it states here anti-scratch, non-slip, ergonomic grip, and split design. Have a look at the side here. Works with the Switch 2 dock, which is pretty awesome. Kickstand friendly. Split design, detachable left and right grips. Comfortable grip and ultimate experience. With that stated, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Two protection covers for both the left and right Joy-Con 2 controllers. The reinforced non-slip grip on the sides. And here's the back of the case, and this is the opening for the kickstand, which again is definitely nice to have. You can see all the cutouts there. And this is the cover. You're able to store up to 12 cartridges, which is pretty nice. And it also serves as a cover. So once it's all put together, and you need to move around, or if you need to travel, you can have everything all protected in one shell, which is pretty nice. With that stated, let's go ahead and get this installed. Should be straightforward. Let's go ahead and remove these. Make sure everything is all even. Has a nice feel, secure grip for it. Let's check out the cutouts. Make sure everything lines up. So you have access here to drop your games in if you need. Charge port and the vents. You see the bottom cutouts as well. And it fits just fine. Again, it's nice to have this because you can store your games, and besides that, secure it while it's not being used by dropping the bottom part of it here first and then close it in. Ultimate protection. It protects the screen and everything on top from dust as well, so it blocks dust off and it keeps everything nice and intact. Let's go ahead and test out that kickstand. Awesome. Last thing we're going to test is to see how this works with the dock. So again, this is the official Switch 2 dock. Before dropping this in the dock, you have to remove the cover because it will not fit. By peeling off the cover, drop it right in. Perfect. So what are my thoughts? I definitely think this case is awesome, especially all of its offerings. I love the fact that the controllers are protected because kids will drop them, even adults. They will drop these controllers, but you have that shock resistant protection. And again, you have the nice reinforced grip that's built into these shells. Not only that, I love the fact that you have access to the kickstand. I think that's definitely a plus. And the fact that the top cover allows you to store up to 12 games, I think that's pretty huge. So all in all, I definitely think it's worth it. Now, if you're interested in the FastSnail Switch 2 case with cover, please use the link in the description section of this video. But this completes my review of the FastSnail Switch 2 case with cover.